fish, red onions, green pepper, carrots. Aubergine, tomatoes, cabbage, onion leafy. To tomato paste, 3 Maggi cubes, 1 kilogram rice. Begin with marinating fish. Fry the fish in hot oil until it's golden brown. Chop your veggies and have them ready. Blend your tomatoes and onions leafy. Heat all in pot and saute red onions. Until it's softened, add tomato paste. Toss them together. Add your blended sauce. Black pepper, red soy sauce, salt and chill in case you love spicy food. Add Maggi cubes. After 1 minute, add boiling water. Then add aubergine, carrots, cabbage, and your fried fish. Cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes. And simmering for 5 minutes. Now you can serve her because your food is ready. Serve her straight to plate. Garnish with spring or green onions. You really about to eat every protein.